let us talk about the taskbar. The taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen as a long horizontal bar. It has the Start button on its left side and the notification area on the right side. The middle section of the taskbar is known as the Quick Launch bar. The taskbar can be dragged to any of the 4 sides of the desktop. Whenever we run a program, its button is automatically placed on the taskbar. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar button. Clicking the button again will minimize the application window. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade and appears to be pushed in. The Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch between active programs. The taskbar has the following 3 main sections. The Start button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the Start button, a menu displaying the major options appears. This menu is known as the Start menu. The options present in the Start menu provide access to the main programs on the computer. Notification area. This area contains the clock and the other program icons which provide the status and notification about the programs running on the computer. Example, the antivirus program, software updates, sound, speakers, battery status, date and time, etc. Quick Launch bar. The Quick Launch bar provides an easy and quick way to open the programs. This is the area between the Start button and the notification area. Here you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word application, Tux Paint program, etc. that can be opened or launched with a single click. Students, let's know more. Windows 7 supports an interesting feature known as Arrow Peek. It turns the open windows transparent and makes the desktop of the computer visible. To use this feature, just point and click on the right edge of the taskbar. Okay, let's talk about how to use desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real life desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find pen, stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. We can find icons of various applications such as documents, icons, disk drive, icons, etc. Recycle bin. It works like a trash bin, dustbin used for throwing in unwanted papers. These papers can be taken out if needed. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted objects. Until it is emptied, we can take back the deleted files and restore them to their original locations. Shortcut icon. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or folder, etc. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Taskbar. It displays the Start button on the left side. It holds the notification area on the right side, which includes a clock and some more icons. Okay, students, let us talk about the icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and programs. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface, GUI. Let us learn about some commonly used icons. Computer gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. When you double-click on any drive icon, it displays the files and folders contained in that drive. Application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document, or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers, sharing a common network for data transmission. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. The deleted files or folders can be restored to their original locations from the recycle bin. Students, let us understand what is the use of shortcut menu. When you right-click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears, which is called context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right-clicking on the different areas and objects will display different sets of commands in the context menu. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. You will find the Properties option at the bottom of the list. Right-clicking on the blank area of the desktop. When you right-click on the blank area of the desktop, you will find a menu with a list of options. The Personalize option can be seen at the bottom. Using the Personalize option, you can change the background, settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box, font, color, etc., and can also give various visual effects to them. Right-clicking on an object. When you right-click on any icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different menu. The Properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is a GUI operating system that has a graphical